Markets Magic for Beginners. Hey there, my trading dreamers. I'm Monsi, and welcome to my podcast, Monsi's Trading Adventure. I'm bursting with excitement to share my journey into the world of trading with you. As a beginner myself, I know how thrilling and sometimes overwhelming the market can feel. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down with simple, heartfelt tips to spark your confidence. Let's dive into the magic of trading together and make those dreams of financial freedom come alive. Ready? Let's go. Picture this. The stock market is like a giant ocean full of waves and treasures. To sail it, we need to learn some key tools. First up, trends. A trend is where the market's heading, up, down, or sideways. An uptrend feels like a rocket soaring with prices climbing higher and higher. A downtrend is like a waterfall, prices dropping lower and lower. And a sideways trend, it's like a calm sea, prices just bobbing along. To spot these, I love using candlestick charts on platforms like TradingView. I draw lines to connect the highs or lows, and boom, there's the trend. Moving averages like the 50-day line help confirm it. Trading with the trend feels like riding a wave. It's smoother and boosts your chances of winning. Next, let's talk about support and resistance, the market's invisible floors and ceilings. Support is where prices stop falling because buyers jump in, like a cozy safety net. Resistance is where prices hit a wall, with sellers pushing back. I find these by spotting price levels where the market bounces or stalls. On daily charts, I see short-term levels for quick trades. Weekly or monthly charts show bigger ones for long-term dreams. When prices hit support, I get excited. It's a chance to buy. At resistance, I might sell or wait. If prices break through with a big volume surge, it's like a door swinging open to a new trend. I always set my stop loss just below support to protect my heart and my wallet. Now let's feel the market's vibe with bullish and bearish signals. A bullish mood is pure sunshine. Prices are rising and optimism is in the air. I spot it with uptrends or patterns like a bullish engulfing candle. A bearish mood feels stormy, with prices falling and sellers in charge. Downtrends or bearish candles give me the clue. I go long, buying to sell higher in bullish times, and short, selling to buy back lower in bearish ones. Timing these moves with tools like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, makes me feel like a market wizard. If RSI dips below 30, it's like finding a sale. Time to buy. Above 70, maybe it's time to sell. Let's add some sparkle with moving averages and Bollinger Bands. A moving average smooths out prices, showing the trend's heartbeat. I use the 50-day or 200-day lines to confirm if I'm riding an uptrend or dodging a downtrend. When a short-term average crosses above a long-term one, it's a golden signal to buy. Bollinger Bands are like a price playground with a middle line and two outer bands. Narrow bands whisper, a big move's coming. Wide bands scream volatility. I buy near the lower band in a range and sell near the upper one, always checking RSI or trends to be sure. For trend strength, I lean on the Average Directional Index, or ADX. Above 25, it's like a green light for a strong trend. Time to jump in. Below 20, I stay patient, avoiding choppy waters. The Super Trend Indicator is my trusty compass, plotting a line to say buy when it's below the price or sell when it's above. Combining these feels like mixing colors to paint a masterpiece. For example, in an uptrend with ADX above 25, I wait for a pullback to support, check RSI below 30, and buy when Super Trend flips bullish. It's like catching the perfect wave. Now let's talk about keeping our dreams safe with risk management. I set a stop loss to cap losses, like a seatbelt for my trades. I risk only 1 to 2% of my account per trade, so one loss doesn't sink my ship. My risk-reward ratio is my treasure map. I aim for at least 2 to 1, meaning I could earn double what I risk. Position sizing keeps me balanced, so I don't bet too much on one trade. These rules are my anchor, keeping me steady through market storms. Here's my heartfelt advice. Start small, maybe with a demo account, to feel the market's pulse without stress. Use platforms like TradingView to play with charts and indicators. Keep a trading journal. It's like writing love letters to your progress, tracking what works and what doesn't. Stay disciplined. Avoid chasing losses and keep learning. The market's a teacher, and every trade is a lesson. As I wrap up, my heart's racing with hope for you. These tools, trends, support, indicators, and risk management are your keys to unlock the market's magic. Start with one or two. Practice with patience and let your confidence soar. You're not just trading stocks, you're building a path to your dreams. I'm cheering you on, my trading tribe. Let's conquer the market together. Thanks for joining me on Monsi's Trading Adventure. Drop a comment or message to share your journey. I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and trading smart.